Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have Autumn next up in this series of Oden's Eye ALVA palettes. This is a big launch for the brand. They are dropping 4 brand new palettes, one for each season, and I'm doing dedicated videos on each palette. Today I'm going to give you 3 looks with Miss Autumn right here, a 16-pan palette full of mattes and shimmers and just beautiful green shades. You guys know I love a good green, and we're getting some pops of green, a little peach in there. I cannot wait to create 3 looks with this palette. The entire collection launches on July 1st at 7 a.m. CST. My affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off of your order. I'm also wearing 2 out of the, I forget if it's 10 or 12 lippies, but I'm wearing the liquid lipstick in the shade, no, the gloss is Latte Lily. The liquid lipstick is Vintage Fuchsia. And the lipsticks, which are matte liquid lipsticks, there's a shine and there's a gloss formula. Those will retail for $13.90 each. Everything drops July 1st, 7 a.m. CST. Let's get into the first of 3 looks with the Autumn ALVA palette. Now, I've already primed my eyelids with the Beauty Bay eyeshadow primer. So I am ready to dive into this one. This shade has been catching my eye, but I think I want to start with this one. So I'm going to be working with these 2 today. Maybe this little quadrant right here. I don't know. But if you notice this palette, you can definitely take it by quadrants. Just FYI on that. But let's start working with these 2 matte shades first. This first shade is called Equinox, and I'm taking it on a Game Beauty E01 brush. Now I'm taking the shade Flannel on a BK Beauty 211. I'm going to focus that in the crease as well as the outer corner. I think these 2 shades are really nice, very complementary of one another. I love the blend we're getting with these 2. All right, now I think I'm going to dive into the shade, but first I'm going to lay down some of my Gourmand Girls Shimmer Primer. Now on my Morphe M124, I'm going in with the shade Scenic. Now I'm going back in with that BK Beauty brush and the second matte shade that we used just to blend in the crease. All right, I think that looks really, really cool. Let's pick up this green with the finger. I'm just gonna tap it in the center. Oh, stunning. That is so, so pretty. Now for the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. And I'm taking it on a little BH Cosmetics pencil brush. Now I'm going to go back in with that green that I put in the center. I'm going to apply that right in here to the inner corner. And I think we have a completed look, an almost completed look. I'm going to pop off camera to take care of those finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you this look number 1. All right, guys, so here's the completed look number 1, a little CoverGirl black eyeliner on the top lash line, the new e.l.f. Incredicurl mascara, really been enjoying this one, and also new from e.l.f. is this eyeliner. That's what I have going on in the lower waterline. This one is in the shade Limelight. 2 new things from e.l.f. complements this Oden's Eye Autumn palette really well. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. Okay, so for look number 2, I really want to play with this shade and also this shade down here and probably do this for the outer corner. So let's focus on these 3. And this is more of like a peachy pink shade in person. And I'm taking this shade on a Rephr 16. Next, I'm going in with the shade Windy on a Rephr 13. Now I'm taking a different Rephr 13 and I'm going in with the shade Revamp. This is that blue-green shade in the bottom row. Those shades are beautiful together. I'm loving the way this is turning out. I'm gonna go back in with my Gourmand Girl Shimmer Primer and apply that to the lid. Now I think I'm gonna use this shade right here. This one is called Cozy. Using my Morphe M124 to apply. You know, I think I can squeeze in one more shade because I'm kind of taking this up above. I think I'm gonna try the green kind of in this space right here. I'm gonna take this green. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of that matte green right in here just to blend. I'm gonna add a little bit of the first matte shade back. Now for the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna go back in with this shade. Now for the inner corner, I think I'm just gonna continue on with this first shimmer shadow that I used and just drag it down. All right, guys, let me go take care of those finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you look number 2. Okay, guys, so here's the completed look number 2. I really love this one. I love both of these looks. I don't know which one I'm gonna be able to remove, but I just love this color combination, everything. I'm really enjoying this palette. Same everything. Also used another shade, new shade in these e.l.f. Smoky Kohl eyeliners. This one is called Plum and Go. Perfect. These were only like $3 or $4. I picked up all the shades at Ulta online. So not bad. Okay, I'm gonna take some quick pictures. I think I'll remove this look only because I did it first, and I don't know. I love them both. I'm having a really good time with this palette, but I'll be right back. All right, so let's start working on look number 3. Some of the shades I haven't used are the yellow, and I haven't used this one either. As far as matte shades go. So I think I'm going to start with the yellow. I might not get to use the shade. Actually, I think I want to do the yellow and this dark shade down here. I think that's going to be a beautiful color combination. Shimmers, I have not used this one. Haven't used this one, or this one. So we'll definitely incorporate some of those. But let me start up here with this beautiful sunshine yellow. I'm going in with my Game Beauty E01, and we're going to focus this on the inner half. That yellow has a lot of pigment, a lot of payoff. Now in a Rephr 13, I'm going in with that green shade. I love this color combo. So cool. All right, got a good blend going on. Now, what shimmer am I gonna wanna use? I actually think I wanna go in with the gold. Let me pick that up with my finger. This is my last look, so I'm not gonna apply any shimmer primer. Just gonna pop that here. Oh, that's perfect. I've been noticing as I've been reviewing these palettes that using your finger for the shimmer is definitely the way to go. You just get more payoff that way. Now for the lower lash line, I think I'm going to go in with this shade. This is one of the shades I used in the first look. I'm leaving that inner corner free so we can try out another shimmer. I'm going to pick up a little bit of this one. I have not used this one. Perfect. Ooh, there's a lot of payoff there. Let me go take care of the finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 3. All right, guys, so here's the third and final look with the Autumn palette. Same everything and another new shade in these e.l.f. Smoky Kohl eyeliners. This one is Rare Emerald in the lower waterline. I've done a wear test on these, the light blue one, and it lasted all day in the waterline, so I definitely recommend checking these out. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video, and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts. No wear test in today's video. I've already wear tested a couple of the other palettes, and I'm a little behind on filming, so gotta speed things up. Let me give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, guys, so I think the Autumn ALVA palette is definitely worth 2 huge thumbs up. I loved this one. I think it's my favorite color story. This is my third palette to create 3 looks with in this series. I have one more to go. I think I have the spring left that I need to film with, but this has been my favorite color story so far. I love green eyeshadow, so naturally I gravitated towards this palette, and I love the other accent shades that they put in here. The 3 looks I created, I mean, I could wear those 3 looks every single day. I love them. Just totally different color combinations. It's a unique palette. It reminds me of a palette. It reminds me, I don't know if it's a Cosmic Brushes palette or maybe it was one of the Angelica collaboration palettes, but I'm getting some vibes with this one that it's kind of similar to something else and I just can't put my finger on it. Comment down below if you think this looks like something you might have already in your stash. But the formula is really good. I do recommend using your finger to apply the shimmers, and I also recommend using a shimmer primer. I love the one from Gourmand Girls. It's worked out great with this whole series of palettes, no creasing or anything like that. I love it. This palette and the other 3 palettes along with the lippies drop on July 1st at 7 a.m. CST. My affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off. Let me know what you're picking up from this ginormous collection. This is a huge drop for Oden's Eye, and I don't know if you're just going to get one palette, if you're going to get the entire collection, or maybe you're just going to pick and choose a couple things, but sound off in the comments down below. Again, I'm doing dedicated videos on each of the palettes, 3 looks each. A lot of work before I go off on vacation, but by the time you see this video, I will be on vacation and I'll be thinking about you guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'll see y'all very soon. Bye!